In this video, I will be going over some of the proper procedures for testing a pre-action sprinkler valve. Now, without a test valve at the top of the riser, you're going to want to throttle the control valve down quite a bit. You don't want to introduce water into the system. A pre-action system was meant to stay dry. Now check the solenoid to see if the solenoid is activated by sticking something in it to see if it is magnetized.
Yeah, zone 4 solenoid is hot.
You should see an alarm on location number 38. Dave, that zone 14 is hot.
Well, now there's some kind of echo in the room, I think. By first putting a hot solenoid on the solenoid valve itself, you're testing to see if the actuator is still holding the prime water back. If the priming water did not discharge, the actuator is functioning properly. Go ahead and close the air inline and drain all the air from the system, draining the air also from the actuator. Now let's check the solenoid one more time. With no air on the actuator, the solenoid should pop the valve. And it did. Now at this point there are a few valves that get turned, a few valves that get opened, a few valves that get closed to properly exercise the valve and prepare it to reset. These are all adjustments that you don't really need to know about unless you are a trained professional and you know what you're doing with this valve. Now here I'm just flushing out the body of the valve because there isn't a test valve at the top we can really do a full trip on to flush it out. Of course, be careful not to introduce too much water into the system because it is meant to stay dry. Damn it, there goes my pen. Now don't forget to fill out all your inspection tags. Now that's a thorough testing of the pre-action valve.